What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Juan. I'm back. Like I never left. I know it's been a long time. Everybody's been asking for some videos, for some new content. And so here's an update for before the year's over. I know it's been a long time since we've had any good footage on here. Actually, over 90 days. Been working on a lot of stuff. As you guys know, got the B58 fully built. Talking about pistons, rods, head work. Got coated bearings, had it sleeved. Let's see, probably as far as the engine goes, that's what we did. And now it's just sitting at the shop getting some suspension work. Started getting some noise from the struts. And the axle started kind of messing up after I started putting down some pulls. But I'm gonna put some of this footage on here so you guys can kind of hear what it was sounding like during break-in. That was 3,000 miles, so obviously it took a long time to drive those miles and get the car ready. And then I got the M5 back from the shop. I'm not sure if I had posted about that. So that one's got the pure stage 2s on it. Everything's perfect. Car's running nice. Got a nice on a bass tune right now. I don't want to get too aggressive with that. And now I'm looking at possibly a Project 335 with fully built engine, MMP turbos, gutted out, having some transmission issues. So we'll see what we can do with that. But you guys know I love my M54s. It's kind of my bread and butter. So, you know, I don't want you guys to think that, oh yeah, he's not doing the channel anymore. He's deserting the channel. I'm actually pretty close to becoming a YouTube partner with my videos and the support from you guys. So I want to say thank you. And please, you know, like, comment, share. All this stuff always helps. Allows me to be able to go out there and get some more cars. Actually motivates me because I don't get paid from any of that. So it motivates me to go out there and give you guys more content. You guys know I'm always open to help with any questions you guys might have with the cars. But besides that, I'm going to see what kind of footage I've collected over the few months. To kind of catch you guys up on my life. I moved too, so that's been crazy because I had to set up everything again on at my house, man, and that's taking forever. So I need to set up my compressor, all my tools to be able to take these cars apart again. But I'm super excited about the 340. I think it's going to be insane. It's going to be disgusting. I mean, just on a base 93 tune, I couldn't even barely, you know, control the thing. I mean, it was pulling me back, and you know, can't imagine what on a full E85 around 30 psi what that thing will do. So, you know, I'm super excited for that. And you know, shit like that takes time because a lot of goes into a build like that. But so far, you know, I got an engine builder. I'm starting a new engine building program. Got a guy's car from New York. We're doing swapping in a motor into his car. So, you know, we're opening up things a bit. Still working on the Evo with my buddy. Just a lot of stuff going on, so I'm excited to bring you guys some more content. This whole new year, I'm just gonna be throwing crazy amount of videos online for y'all, especially in the springtime. So stay tuned. Let me know what you guys want to see. I want to do some races. I'm trying to get back out there on the street and do some pulls, get some wins. Excited. So this is just a little check-in for y'all. Leave a comment, leave a like. And just let me know what y'all want to see. But here, I'll leave you guys some footage. Keep you guys entertained until I'm back. Talk to y'all later. Out here with CD919. Getting some work done on the reflex. Probably have to reflash it or something. Get this thing jamming.
Not so nice.
Is that your Supra over there?
No, I got the Camaro.
Oh, nice.
He got the Supra.
Okay. I like that, man. That looks good.
Like 9's the new 10. If you're running 8s, different.